second part of solving quadratics with the zero property. This kind of a problem, you have to do the full factoring, the product, the sum, the splitting the middle. So remember that our product is the first times the last, so it's 4 times 54. So 4 times 54 is 216, and our sum is 33. So we need to come up with two numbers that will give me a product of 216 and a sum of 33. Now, this is big number. So what I do is I just go through and check. 216 divided by 6 is 6 times 36. And that won't work. So let's do 216 divided by 8. And that's 8 times 27. That won't work. So we'll do 216 divided by 12. 12 times 18. And that gives me 30, so that won't work. Let's try 9. 9 times 24. And that works. So then I know that my middle term is going to split from 33 into 9 and 24. So we have 4x squared plus, and I'm going to put the 24 first because it goes well with 4. Doesn't matter, remember, which term goes first. And then you group the first two together and the second two together. What can you factor out of the first part? A 4 and an x, leaving you with x plus 6. You can factor out a 9 here, leaving you with x plus 6. So now this is what you're going to factor out of the whole set, x plus 6. You're left with 4x plus 9. And remember, it's equal to 0. Then we split each part. X plus 6 equals 0. And 4x plus 9 equals 0. Subtract 6, x equals negative 6. Subtract 9, 4x equals negative 9, x equals negative 9 over 4. So we have negative 6 and negative 9 over 4. All right, let's look at one that looks like this. T squared equals 16. Now remember that it has to be equal to 0 for the zero property to work. So you would subtract 16 from both sides. You get t squared minus 16 equals 0. Remember, this is a special product where you have a minus b, a plus b. So these are both t's. These are both 4's because 4 times 4 is 16. One's a minus, one's a plus. Now we split it. T minus 4 equals 0. T plus 4 equals 0. Add 4 to both sides. T equals 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. T equals negative 4. So you have 4 and negative 4 as your answer. Okay. One more like this is when you have this. Let's not use S. So you actually have to multiply this out first. X squared minus 4x equals 32. Subtract 32 from both sides. X squared minus 4x minus 32 equals 0. Now I have a product of negative 32 and a sum of negative 4. So this is 4 times 8, where you want the 8 to be negative, and that would give you 4 plus negative 8, which would give you negative 4. So you would have x plus 4 times x minus 8 equals 0. Split it. Subtract 4. x equals -4, add 8, x equals 8. So -4 and 8 would be your answer.